welcome back to the Final Cut Pro X tutorial. Today I'm going to discuss about noise reduction. Obviously sometime when you are recording video at night, sometime because of low light you get various kind of noise, and obviously when you export that kind of video it doesn't look nice. Okay, there is an option for that one. New Final Cut Pro X update include that one. You can see this one here, noise reduction. You can use that one. Okay, but I always use the third-party plugin, which is really work for me. It's not very cheap. However, if you are making the professional video, obviously you like to make some kind of better video using that. This is drone footage we shot in Nepal when we were doing our short film. Okay, I don't think so we included that video for our short film, but obviously we took couple of videos using the drone. So you can see this one, quite a lot of noise here. Just make a slightly more percentage here. You can see this one, there is a noise. Okay, even you see always put in the better quality so you know what is the noise there. Okay, so there are two options. One, you can use this one if you like that video, and if you like that output, then obviously fine. But if you are not quite happy with that inbuilt noise reduction, then obviously you have got the option for that one. Neat video, you can see this one I already charged it before, so you can buy this one from here. Okay, I'll put this link in the description in my video as well. Okay, let's start from that one. It's very straightforward. So how can we use this one? The Final Cut Pro is very easy software. So if you want to reduce the noise for that one, you just drag that one. Okay, just add that one, and you can see this one, noise reduction there. So depends on what sort of noise you have got. This one you have got always choice. Please make sure what is suitable for you. But once you play a couple of times, you know what noise is, what level is suitable for your video. Okay, if you practice in a couple of videos, you will know that one is straightforward. And you have got the sharpness as well, because you really need to watch that one. Don't do too much, so video looks quite natural as well. This is the Final Cut Pro has got that function. You don't have to pay for that one, but my choice is different. Okay, because we do a lot of commercial videos, so I really prefer that neat video. Okay, I just like to take this out here. Okay, see this one. Okay, even I'll take this one. Now you can see this one. I've got this one plugin already. It's very straightforward. There are two versions of that one. I bought that one before, but now the another version 4. This is the latest, I think. Okay, this is the same as well. You just drag into this one, but you can see this one, there are more feature here. Okay, once you do that, just press this one, select to open. Okay, it's getting slow. Now you can see this one. The best thing is you have got more option here. You can use the sample from somewhere, and obviously you can work out, and that will do better job compared to the Final Cut Pro's one noise reduction option. Okay, what we really need to do is, look, if you see like a noise here, just for example, that's a sample. Okay, where you have got the more noise, please use that area, and you go to the auto profile. Okay, you have got the other option as well. You can use this one. I normally use that one. You can use the auto fine tune, blah blah blah, but this is my choice. Once you do that, you just apply and your job is done. Okay, so either you can use the noise reduction that costs you money but does a really brilliant job, but if you are doing this small project, it's not for the commercial or for your one product, and you can use the Final Cut Pro's noise reduction option for that one. So it is entirely up to you. Okay, I hope you like this video, and I'll be adding more videos about the Final Cut Pro and other cameras, RED cameras and any other video equipment, etc. So please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching.